Do you want to be able to check your credit score on the Navy Federal app? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to check it. So what we're going to do firstly is to just simply open up our Navy Federal Credit Union mobile app. So just go into that mobile app and then of course also enter your username and password to be able to log in into your account. And now when you have logged in into your account, then you're just going to simply find the three lines icon as you can see, and it's going to be in the top left corner quite often, or it can be for some of you in the top right corner as well, just so you know. And then you're going to select where it says credit score, or you can also say FICO score as you can see. And this may be under accounts or more, just so you know. And your FICO score will be displayed along with a brief report to you as well, just so you know. And Navy Federal updates this score monthly, so you will always see your latest version. And also a tip for you here, if you don't see your credit score, you may need to opt in through the app or website, just so you know. And if you're still not able to see it, I would actually suggest you to contact their customer service to be able to actually, so that they can actually help you to be able to access it. But basically, this is exactly how to do this.